The mortgage calculator tells you one number: $2,000 per month for a 30-year mortgage on a $500,000 home. That is the number that sticks in your head. $2,000. You can afford it. You run the numbers. The math works. But that calculator is missing something. And what it is missing will cost you more than the mortgage itself over the 30 years you own that home. This video breaks down the hidden costs of homeownership that nobody talks about before you sign the papers. The costs that turn a $2,000 mortgage payment into $4,500 per month. The costs that make renting look cheaper than it actually is, and make buying look more expensive than the mortgage brochure promises. Let me start with what the mortgage calculator actually shows you: principal and interest. That is it. $2,000 per month. But that $2,000 is only the down payment on what home ownership actually costs. Property taxes. In most American states, you pay an annual property tax based on the assessed value of your home. The average property tax rate is 1.1% of the home's value per year. On a $500,000 home, that is $5,500 per year. $450 per month. That is money you pay directly to the county or municipality. It is mandatory. It is not optional. Homeowners insurance. You cannot get a mortgage without it. The lender requires proof that your home is insured against fire, theft, and natural disasters. The average homeowner's insurance costs between $1,000 and $2,000 per year, depending on location and home value. $1,500 per year. $125 per month. Maintenance and repairs. This is where most first-time homeowners get blindsided. A roof lasts 20 to 25 years. The cost to replace a roof on an average home, $15,000 to $25,000. HVAC systems last 10 to 15 years. Replacement cost, $5,000 to $8,000. A water heater lasts 10 to 15 years. Replacement cost, $1,000 to $3,000. A foundation crack discovered after closing. Repair cost, $5,000 to $50,000 depending on severity. The rule of thumb used by real estate professionals: budget 1% of your home's value per year for maintenance and repairs. On a $500,000 home, that is $5,000 per year, $417 per month. But here is the reality: most people do not budget that much. Most people discover the need for maintenance after something breaks. Homeowners association fees. Not all homes have HOA fees, but most new construction communities and condos do. The average HOA fee is $400 per month. Some HOAs are $1,500 per month. Some are over $3,000. What does that cover? Common area maintenance, landscaping, pool maintenance if applicable, and the HOA's administrative costs. But here is the catch: the HOA can raise fees whenever they vote to do so. And unlike property taxes, there is no legal cap on how much they can increase. Utilities. Your mortgage calculator does not include utilities. Electricity, gas, water, sewage, trash. In a $500,000 home in a moderate climate, expect $300 to $500 per month for utilities. Property appraisal updates, title insurance, recording fees, property surveys if boundaries are disputed. These are one-time or irregular costs, but they happen. Budget another $50 to $100 per month averaged across the year. Let me add this up for you. Mortgage payment, $2,000, property tax, $450, homeowners insurance, $125, maintenance and repairs, $417, HOA fees, $400 if applicable, utilities, $400, miscellaneous, $100. Total approximately $3,892 per month. Almost double the mortgage payment shown on the calculator. The calculator showed you $2,000. The reality is closer to $3,900 for a $500,000 home. Before we go deeper, are you currently a homeowner or are you shopping for a home right now? And if you are shopping, does your budget include all these hidden costs or just the mortgage payment? Be honest in the comments. I want to know how many people are only budgeting for the mortgage and not the actual total cost of ownership. Here is where the math gets revealing. Over 30 years, you pay $2,000 per month in mortgage. That is $720,000. Over 30 years, you pay property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and utilities. That is another $1,428,000. Total cost of ownership over 30 years, $2,148,000. That is not the cost of buying the home. That is the cost of owning the home for 30 years. Compare that to renting. The median rent for a home of similar size and location is $2,500 per month. Over 30 years, that is $900,000. The difference? $1,148,000. Homeownership is not cheaper than renting just because the mortgage payment is lower. Homeownership is more expensive because you are responsible for everything that breaks, everything that needs maintenance, and all the taxes and insurance. But here is the counter-argument. When you finish paying off the mortgage, the home is yours. When the renter finishes paying 30 years of rent, they have nothing. That is true. And it is also incomplete. If you own the home outright, you still pay property taxes. You still pay insurance. You still pay for maintenance and repairs. Your ownership does not eliminate those costs. A retiree who owns their home outright might pay $800 to $1,000 per month in property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. That is still a significant expense on a fixed income. A renter's housing cost ends. A homeowner's housing cost never ends. The hidden truth about homeownership is that the mortgage payment is not your housing cost. It is one part of your housing cost. The parts that are hidden in the fine print, assumed to be covered by maintenance budgets that people never actually set up, and buried in the details of homeowners' insurance policies. If you are considering buying a home, calculate your true cost of ownership. Do not just plug in the mortgage amount. Add property taxes, insurance, estimated maintenance based on the home's age, HOA fees if applicable, and utilities. That is your true monthly cost. Then compare it to the rent for a similar home in the same area. The difference might surprise you. Next week on Money. Truth. The average American reaches retirement with $192,000 in net worth. But the median American with kids carries $200,000 in debt. We break down the exact wealth gap that determines whether your retirement is stable or terrifying, and how to close it. That is Wednesday on this channel. Subscribe to Money Truth 3 times a week. Verified data. Real numbers. No noise.